Hey everybody, this is Tammy, the Fibonacci Princess from the Fibonacci room here at Simpler Trading, and I just wanted to give you an update on TLRY since it seems to be a really hot topic at Simpler Trading right now, and also with family and friends. So what I wanted to show you is that I did have some setup zones earlier today. They were busted. Now we are down to the setup zone 28.32 to 30.48. Okay, this is including a lot of 618s and what appears to maybe be a 786 in there, but it's kind of my my last hope as far as the 618s are concerned here. So I really do hope we are going to bounce here, 28.32 to 30.48. The question is, have we triggered? I am pretty sure we have not. I will look on a 5-minute chart here and see. But it does not look like we have triggered yet. No, we have not even triggered on a 5-minute chart. So we need to wait for triggers on this, okay? Here is the setup though. 28.32 to 30.48. If you get triggers, you are welcome to take a trade in this. If you've already got some stock and you get triggers, you are welcome to add to that position. All right, everybody. I hope you have a wonderful evening, and I will talk to everyone soon. If you are not in the Fibonacci room, please come and join us every day for setups just like this all day long. All right. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.